Hey everyone, so this is an origami heart and it's a very cute and simple design that we are gonna see today how to make it. So as always, we'll start with a square sheet of paper, and what we'll do is we'll firstly fold it along the diagonals. So I'll take this one of my corners and put it on top of the other corners. I'll do the same thing on the other one as well. Now take one of the corners and push it on the center. So you'll get this crease line over here. So what you do is you take this other corner and you put it on this crease line here. Okay, so you just put the tip over here while maintaining it so that this whole thing is flattened out. Okay, so we put back this point from where it was, and now we have got this edge over here. So you can see that I can fold it here. I have got this center line coming up. So what we have to do is we have to take this edge and fold it on top of this half line here, like that. So you all can already see that the basic shape of a heart is coming up. So I'm doing it for both the sides here. So this brings us the basic shape of the heart. Now we want to make it look like a heart. So right now this doesn't look like a heart. So how do we make it look like a heart? So we have to push these corners inside somehow. So that's not very difficult. What we first do is we make a crease like this. We don't want a hard crease. We just want a half line over here. We just want to measure half the distance over here. So we'll just push this point over here and fold this a bit. So I've gotten this half line, and now I'll fold my this corner on this half line, just like that. I'll do this something similar here on the other side. And push this here. For the top, now if you look at this, this looks like a heart but with these pointed edges. So what we do is we turn this around and we just fold it on top of this line, just till this point, like that. So with this, the heart design is complete. But right now this looks more like a robotic or a very mechanical heart. So we use this technique of smoothing. So this is again something which depends on your own artistic nature. So what you do is you just try to smoothen out all these edges, all these corners which are coming up. So just push this out a bit. Similarly over here. So I'm just making very small folds. So I'll show how they look like in the end. Similarly over here. So if you look at these, so if I look at them in the back, you can see that these are very small folds. So have a look at this. This is a very small fold, and there's no exact measurement of how much you are supposed to fold. This is just a judgment fold. You have to fold it based on how much you feel like would make it nice to look at. So similarly over here, these two last ones. And there we go. So this looks more like a heart. Not a human heart, but well, a heart that we see on Valentine's. But there's a very nice trick which you can use with this heart. So whenever you want to send some greetings to your loved ones, you can make a heart like this, and they'll just have to open it. And there can be a message inside, maybe some nice saying inside, or some photographs. And this can be a very nice, subtle gift. Thank you and happy folding.